How to send a disappearing photo in Telegram. So if you want to send a disappearing photo in Telegram, then first let's open up Telegram application and make sure to log into your account. Once you've logged in, you can simply go for any chat that you would like to send the disappearing photo. So I'll be choosing this chat, and once you've selected the chat, now you can go for attachments, which is on the bottom right. You can simply choose any one of your photo, and then once you've choose your photo, now here on the bottom right of your photo you will have the timer. So simply tap on that timer, and here you will have to choose how long the media will be kept after opening. So if you want to choose 3 seconds, you can choose that, and your photo will be deleted after 3 seconds of delivering or opening. So tap on send, and once the person opens the photo, and within 3 seconds the photo will be disappeared. So that's how you send disappearing photos on Telegram. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.